How to factory reset Dell laptop Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to go to the Windows burst from here and click on settings, and then you just have to simply click on the systems icon and scroll down a little bit and look for the recovery option. And after clicking on the recovery, you just can see there's an option called reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. You just have to simply click on the reset PC, and there are two options like keep my files, remove everything. If you have backup of your data, you can just click on remove everything, and if you don't have backup of your data, you can just click on keep my files. And let's go with the remove files option, and here you can see the current settings: remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, and delete all files only from Windows drive. And if you click on next from here, the PC was recently updated. If you continue to reset this PC, you won't be able to undo the update. So after clicking on here, you can see ready to reset this PC. You can see resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, remove any changes, remove all apps and programs, and install Windows from this device. And this will take a while and your PC will restart. So after you click on the reset button from here, it will start to reset your PC, and when it starts again, it will be as like as a new PC. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.